Are you looking to take your productivity to the next level? Discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time. From seamless scheduling to hidden features that will keep you organized. You won't want to miss these expert insights. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. This is the home page. So Google Calendar is a web-based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedules. So to effectively use Google Calendar, you have just to familiarize yourself with event creation, reminders, and required appointments to streamline schedules. So you have just to create, for example, event, task, appointment schedules. So I will show you how you can do that. So sharing options are essential for collaboration with colleagues or family. Integrate Google Calendar with email and task management tools to boost productivity. Customize your calendar with color-coded and notifications to suit your preferences. With these features, you can efficiently manage your time and stay organized. I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, we have here main menu, and we have here today if you want this day. So we have here the first hour on this day. Then we have here select also the week that you want, and we have also here the month that you want. All right, then here you can just also search, for example, if we have active calendars, and we have here keywords, content, and event, enter a participant organizer or quarter. Then we have under allocation or room, keywords, no content, and event. Then we have from date and to date. Then you click over search. All right, then we have a support settings menu, and we have also here it's a day, week, month, year, schedule, and 4 days. Then you can switch also to tags. Also here we have Google Apps. Find also here Google Calendar in this. Then we have my account here, and in the right here we find the cap. For example, is to take a note or to the list for each day. For example, you can just select the theme that you want and you click over done. You can also make it pin note, and this is it. Then we have here contacts as well, tasks, maps, and you can also here get add-ons. All right, so here we have the get add-ons, and this is it. Also here in the left we will find here for a search for people, and here we have my calendars, other calendars as well. Then we have the important thing, which is creating. For example, I will create an event. Firstly, I will add a title. I will select here the time or the day that I want, for example, Saturday, October 19, at which time. Then you will find a time here. All right, so also you can add a guest here, add a Google Meet video conferencing, add location if you want, and add description. Here we have it. You can just paste it. You can just copy it to ChatGPT and paste it here. You can also here add a Google Drive attachment. You can also select the code that I mentioned before. So the code are the code that I mentioned in the introduction. Then we have here select if you are free and busy. Then we have your default visibility. You can make it public or private as well. Then we have here 2 minutes to 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before. Then here we have a notification if you want, and you click over save. This is for creating an event. Then we have creating tasks as well. So about the task also, you can add a title. Firstly, you select also the time here. All right, so if it's all day also does not repeat, or you can select daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annually on October 19, every weekday, and we have here custom. Then we have also here you can add description. You can also select here my tasks, and you click over save. Then we have also here appointment schedule. So about this one, you can just first of all bookable appointment schedule. You can add first the title, then we have appointment duration here, how long should each appointment last. Then we have here select if it is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and custom. Alright, then we have here general availability, set when you are regularly available for appointments. You select here if it's repeat weekly or does not repeat or custom as well. Then we have here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can also here bullet here this one, and you have choose the day that you want to work with it. Then we have also here schedule window. So for this one, you can just limit the time range that appointments can be booked. For example, available now or start and end dates. Limit the date range for all appointments. Also, here we have maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. For example, here we have 60 days or more. Then we have also minimum time before the appointment start that if it can be booked. Here we have how much hours. Then we have adjusted availability, indicate times you are available for specific dates. For example, change a day's availability. Then we have booked appointments as well. Manage the booked appointments that will appear on your calendar. For example, buffer time here, a time between appointment slots, and just select here how much minutes. Then here we have maximum booking per day, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. Then you will find here guest permissions as well. For guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. Then we have here calendars. Alright, then you click over get next. So this is how you can add or create appointment schedule. So Google Calendar is a powerful user-friendly tool that helps individuals and teams manage schedules, set reminders, and organize tasks. Its integration with other Google services and accessibility across devices make it essential for staying organized and on top of commitments. So Google Calendar is our base application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. So to effectively use this Google Calendar, you have just to familiarize yourself with event creation, reminders, and requiring appointments to streamline schedules. You have just to share options are essential for collaboration with colleagues or family, and also customize your calendar with color coding and notifications as is did to cite your preference. So with these features you can efficiently manage your time and stay organized. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. So you have just to get started with Google Calendar and create your event or your task or your appointment schedule, and you select here the data you want and you search also for people, and then you get started with this Google Calendar. So this is it for this video. See you again in the next video.